going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and I'm coming to you today with an unboxing video. Brian, Mr. BG, wanted to see this unboxing, and I got 3 others or so that I need to unbox that people wanted to see. I figured I'd start with the smallest one first because the 12 scale trumpeter kit is GT40 is a lot bigger, and so is the Tamiya kits. So I'll get them here in the next couple of days or so, and I'll do an unboxing on them. And so this will be the first one I'm going to unbox. And Tamiya just reissued this Lotus Europa, and I'm going to show you the differences here between the old one and the new one. And this is the new reissue, so the only difference between the new reissue kit is the photo etched parts, and it's been retooled with some what you call those mini light racing rims and a rear spoiler on the back. So I'll just show you the rest of the box art here, and then we will get to showing you what's on the inside. And it's got a beautifully detailed engine right there, photo etched parts, color call out. Alright, I've already pre-opened everything in the box. That way it'll be easier to do this. So let me set this aside and start showing you what's going on. Alright, now these are the clear parts, which I'm not going to open them for obvious reasons. That way they just don't get scratched up and everything. But very nicely molded. There's your cockpit. There's your rear. There's your headlights, tail lights, marker lights. Beautifully detailed. Alright. And here are some of the, this is the new parts tree, I guess you would say. You got your spoiler. You got 2 different options for the end of the spoiler. There is the tower, I guess, whatever, for the spoiler. There are your mini light racing rims. And there are the, I guess, the lug nut or center caps or whatever you want to call it for the wheels right there. I don't know if you can see those real good or not. And there's the back side of it. Beautifully molded, no flash, of course. And then here are the chrome parts. Boy, that's got a glare on them, don't they? That's a very shiny chrome. A lot of times Tamiya kits are more of a satin chrome, but this is a bright, shiny chrome here. My lights are just making it shine. Here are your Weber carburetors. Those are your stock wheels. Your mirrors, your shifter, your rear view mirror, looks like a gas cap, your bumpers, that would be a windshield wiper, your headlights, tail lights, looks like part of your exhaust or muffler. There's your valve covers or tapping covers, or you want to call it dual overhead cams. So, and that right there needs to be stripped because that'll need to be black. But nicely molded, of course. Let's see. Now here's the black molded parts. You got your little bitty trunk area. It sits right before the engine. You got your frame. Lotus were known for these frames right here. I guess it's called a Y frame. Here's your little air dam or spoiler. Steering wheel, steering column. You got drum brakes in the back, disc in the front. Here's your little muffler. Here's your headers. Your front suspension parts. Actually, that's probably rear suspension. This is front. I bet that's, yeah. But that's what it is. Very nicely molded. Let's get to the white parts. Alright, there's your sexy Lotus engine. It's mid-engine, so there's your transaxle, your door cards. This is the side of your body, your front fascia, your seats. There's your spindles, top part of your dash, battery, your bonnet or hood. There is the dashboard. And here is your, I guess your interior tub, chassis. It's all molded into one, and your frame would set right in here, just like that. As you can see, nicely molded, no flash, but of course, what else would you expect from Tamiya? And here is the engine. Boy, that's one sexy body right there. Very beautiful. Years ago, back in the late 80s, early 90s, I was too young to know what the car actually was back then. And a guy in our town here, he used to have a bunch of Shelbys and stuff like that, and he sold me my very first Mustang. I had a 66 Mustang. Oh, this was back in 89 when I had the 66 Mustang. But he had a Lotus Europa, white, exactly like they had the gold striping, just like on the box art. And it was in alright shape. It wasn't in the best shape, but I mean, it was well loved, I guess you'd say. But back then, I really didn't know much about the, that was early in my early days. I didn't know a whole lot about the British cars. And I had an opportunity to buy that car. And back then, I didn't do it. You know, you wish you could go back sometimes and have a do-over. Well, that'd be one of them. I'd have loved to went back and got that car. If I'd have got that car, I'd still have it today. But that being said, here are the poly caps, the tires. You can see the tread very nicely. Molded tires. 4 of those. And here, I don't know if you can see those very good or not, that's your metal little velocity trumpets, where you want to call them, for your Weber carburetors. Here's the decal sheet. Very beautifully done. Beautiful, sexy Lotus badge. There's all your instrument panels, your little Lotus emblems. Oh, beautiful. Here's your photo etch parts. Let's see, that'll be for the front grille, I think. Seat belts, disc. That's for your little velocity stacks or trump to go into for the side of the Weber carbs. There's your metal transfers, says Lotus. Very awesome. And then also, something's new with this kit, you get seat belts. You got enough here for 3 cars, so you got 2 sets extra, which is a very good deal. So whatever color you don't go with, you got more for another car. That's an excellent thing to have right there. Always have extra seatbelt stuff. Alright, here's the instruction sheet, or destruction sheet, as Charlie Mack would say. There's the engine, tell you step by step, color call outs. That is one sexy engine. This right here is for your front suspension. Shows your photo etch parts for your disc. More of the front suspension on that Y frame. Right here, that's part of your rear suspension. Shows where to place the engine into the rear suspension. Exhaust. What's that, your shock mounts or tower. Show your little axles. Here's your stock wheel, shows a color call out for it. Your racing wheels, mini lights. There's the interior tub, battery, everything you need there. This shows your photo etch parts right here for your Weber carburetors. Shows how to build your seat belts, all the photo etched. Your dash, steering wheel, all the little gauges. Door cards, your front photo etch part for there. Putting the body to the chassis. All your little odd and end stuff, external stuff. Little grills for your bonnet, photo etched. There's your little trunk area right there, engine behind it. Spoiler, 2 different options right there on your spoiler. Decal placement. That car would be sexy with the big old John Player Lotus emblem in the middle of it, for the John Player Lotus team. And that's it. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.